Hello, I'm amymakesthat and welcome to my channel where I post weekly videos all about the Cricut projects, and craft business tips like today's video. So if you love this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel to learn everything and anything about the Cricut. Today's video is the ultimate guide on adhesive vinyl. We're talking about what it is, the different kinds of vinyl, and where I buy my favorite. And on the contrary, it's not just 143 vinyl. I want to give a huge thank you to this video's shout out. I'm beyond grateful for all of your support as always and would not be here without you. If you want a future shout out in one of my videos, then please check out my Patreon community and the link in the video description. Now let's begin today's video. First, we gotta discuss what is vinyl. Adhesive vinyl is defined as a flexible adhesive material that is basically like a sticker, but it is much stickier. It comes in a variety of colors and sizes, and that leads me into my next question. How can adhesive vinyl be used? Now, I've shown plenty of tutorials on my YouTube channel that are using adhesive vinyl. The process requires you to have a cutting machine like the Cricut, along with some other tools like the scraper tool and transfer tape. This video right here shows 3 beginner adhesive vinyl projects that you can try out as a beginner. It shows the exact process of how you use and apply adhesive vinyl to a blank. I love how easy adhesive vinyl is to work with, and it's how I began using the Cricut. It was one of my first projects that I ever did. Next, we're going to talk about the different types of vinyl and where you can purchase it. There are thousands of styles, designs, and different textures of vinyl, and different websites may offer different types. Cricut.com has its own brand of vinyl, which is very convenient, and it's usually sold on their website or other well-known craft stores like Joann's or Michael's. These are the common vinyl types that you can purchase. The first one is permanent adhesive vinyl. It is also known as Oracle or Oracle, I don't know how to say it, 651. Or if you purchase from 143vinyl.com, they offer StarCraft HD permanent vinyl. And a perfect example of when you should use permanent adhesive vinyl is for when you're applying it to glassware like wine glasses, regular glass cups, etc. The next common vinyl is removable vinyl. This is also known as Oracle or Oracle 631 vinyl or StarCraft HD removable. And also, I'm just naming Oracle and StarCraft because those are the 2 that I know of. Removable vinyl is great for projects like wall decals because you don't want them permanently on there and you want the wall decal to be easily removable in case they move or they're using it in an apartment where they're renting out. The next type of vinyl will all depend on, again, where you get your vinyl from, and it is also known as StarCraft Magic. This is where you get into your shiny vinyls like glitter and metallic. I love the metallic. I use it for a lot of my wedding projects, mostly on my hangers. The Magic line of vinyl really adds a little bit of texture and more fun to your Cricut project. The next type of vinyl is also known as printable vinyl or decorative vinyl. You can get this on 143 vinyl, and that is the kind of vinyl where you have designs. I think, and I'm going away from 143 vinyl, the best place to order decorative vinyl is from expressionsvinyl.com. I haven't mentioned them a lot in my videos because I primarily buy from 143 vinyl. Expressions vinyl has a lot of sales, and they also have plenty of decorative vinyl designs, so I will put them in the video description for you to shop and look at. The next 2 go hand in hand because they're kind of unique in a way, and I'm talking about glow-in-the-dark vinyl and color-changing vinyl. I have never tried color-changing vinyl. I have tried glow-in-the-dark vinyl, but it was H2V, so I was using it when I was heat pressing my projects and I used it on a t-shirt. 143 vinyl offers Style Tech color-changing vinyl, and you can put it on something like a wine glass or a mug. If it's ran under cold water or hot water, they will be 2 different colors. I probably haven't mentioned all of the adhesive vinyl types because there's an endless amount, but these are the ones that I am familiar with. The last most commonly used vinyl, and I've used it plenty of times when I made wood signs and doormats, is stencil vinyl. The one that I particularly got was Oramask 813, and you might be more familiar with it because it is blue. It kind of has a transparency to it. Stencil vinyl is primarily used for when you're painting, again, which is why I said with wood signs and doormats, because those are painting projects that you can do with the Cricut. It made the painted lines very crisp and clean. The only downfall that I had was with wood signs. I felt like it was a little too strong and it brought up a little bit of the wood. So that's why now when I paint on wood, I primarily use Cricut's removable vinyl. This is all personal preference. If you prefer the stencil vinyl over Cricut removable vinyl, that's great. Use it. What might work for me might not work for you. And that's the beauty of the craft world. We're always trying to see which kind of methods and techniques work the best for us. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new in today's video. And also please, if you have any other adhesive vinyl recommendations as far as websites or different kinds, put them in the comment section. Thank you as always for watching and supporting my channel. And if you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click my subscribe button to see more Cricut content videos like this. I hope everyone is having such an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!